All right, guys, 2016 Golf R Turbo, nice VW. So he said he doesn't see a lot of these online with what we just did to it, so we did a video for you guys. Factory converter there, then 2.5-inch pipe, then we did a resonator delete, as you guys can see right there, and then left the stock muffler for now. He might get it changed out later on, but he just wanted a little bit of a tone, so we took the resonator out for him. He just wanted a little bit, just be able to hear the turbo a little bit more. It's got quad tips out the back. But you can see the muffler, it's huge on this thing. So what you have to do is cut it and put a Y pipe and run new tips to get it done. And that was the resonator that was on it that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Didn't do much, but better than nothing. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. '89, so about 90. Go ahead and back it out. Ooh, that storm looks bad over there. Look, that's where we live. That's not good. VW Type R Golf. Trying to get this video in before it rains, guys. Again. That looks good. Sounds good. Again. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.